Hey friends, Tux here. I have a different type of belt to check out today. I've been using this brand of belts, this Bulliant belts, for a very long time with their belts, which are very adjustable, and you can just pop the little thing through any hole. Through basically the whole thing is a bunch of holes. You go back in my queue and you can see videos for those belts. I think I've done 2 reviews in the past, but this one here apparently has a metal clasp. So we're going to see what this is about. Let me go ahead and open this up. And again, I wear dress pants for some jobs, and it's important to dress nice, so it's good. No, you know what? This is funny. Okay, check it out. This is what I thought I was going to get. This is my go-to belt. I don't know why it shows a clasp there in the box. That is a little bit confusing. Bulliant, if you're watching this video, you may want to change that, but this is my go-to belt, guys. I love this belt. I have several of them, and just it's leather. It's nice. It has so many holes, so you can easily adjust as you go if you're getting smaller, or you can definitely work with you. And the top part here is metal with leather wrapped around, so it's a very nice belt, and they last a really long time too. In fact, I think this belt here is going to replace the original review I did for this belt back, it was like, about 3-4 years ago or something. It was a while ago. So anyway, check it out, guys. I just wanted to show this off real quick. I'm still using this belt. I still love this brand. Love the quality. Love the feel of it. I love the adjustability of it. Love the metal end to it. Love the real leather. Love the little nice touches like the leather here on the end surrounding the steel. Okay, to recap, this is the Bulliant belt. This is my favorite belt. I've been wearing them for years. So much to love, guys. Very generous in length. And I love the fact that not only, this is wrapped leather. It looks beautiful. You can see, check out that close-up there. Looking really good. You have little holes all the way down. You can get as teeny as you want. And this belt will continue to work for you, so you're not going to outgrow or shrink to the point where this belt is not functional, which is really cool. The end here is awesome. Real leather, has nice stainless steel to it, nice leather wrapper on the end of it. It looks great, super functional. This can go great with dress pants. I dress up for work sometimes. I use these belts. I wear shorts a lot here on the island. I wear these belts. These belts are amazing, and they last such a long time. Again, you go back to my original review, and I think I reviewed 2 of these, and you can see they last years. I've had this belt, my original one, for probably about 4 years, I'm guessing. It's been a long time, all right? And so they will really last you a great long time, and they look great for dress. They look great for casual. You really can't go wrong. The appearance of them, very stylish. Loving the black. The backside here is very flat, which is interesting. So it definitely wraps around you very nice. And the outside is slightly curved, But again, the secret to this belt, honestly, is all these crazy holes that you can keep going smaller, or bigger if you choose, and you have lots of room, I found it's a great way to see progress and if you're doing fitness stuff or whatever, kind of seeing your belt size go down. It's really nice to have that encouragement too. And I love the fact that I don't have to buy a new belt all the time because I'm getting too small for my belts. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Just wanted to show this off. It's a great belt. They come in a wide variety of sizes. Big, teeny. They got you covered, literally covered, okay? Again, I'll have a link for this belt right below. Be sure and click that link, okay? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.